Dude, what kind of pulls are we gonna get in this, dude?
Dude, it's gonna be dark, I know that. We got this Dark World structure deck. It's a mystery box, I think.
That's
I got
exactly
two of
what
them.
it is, dude.
So we're gonna see what crazy stuff I pull today.
He's probably gonna get some nuts pulls out of this. Probably pulled the best card in there.
Probably Ojama Yellow. Oh, look at the packaging, bro. It comes with a freaking...
Yeah, but
Bro,
not like a nice one.
holy
Guys,
crap.
no way, guys.
You can-
No way, bro.
You can read the back.
Holy crap, bro. This is one of a kind.
Guys, this is so quality. Do you see this?
Look at this, bro. Look how many cards I can cut out, bro. Look. Bro,
Put
I'm gonna
all of
be
this
set,
together.
bro. I'm gonna be set. Bro, and I get another one, too. That's crazy. Alright. Let's get this open. How do you open this without damaging?
It's like a pack of
There's a
cigarettes.
tab.
There's
Oh.
I started stabbing it.
They,
Yeah, right.
they
Cut
teach them.
all the cards.
They teach them young, huh? Like how to open the cigarettes. I learned that from Yu-Gi-Oh.
the Boreal sword too. That was so cool.
All right, bro.
And the Rocket Tracer. That's your favorite card too. That's the one I always used to negate your shit.
Dude.
This one, dude.
Holy crap, bro! What the heck?
Oh yeah.
Over King
Oh,
of
that's your fa-
Dark
No,
World?
I negate
What?
you with that, dude.
Alright.
Dude.
Dark World
Magician
Puppetry.
Soul.
Holy crap, bro!
Jet Dragon, dude.
Bro, this is insane, bro. Holy crap, a 1-star? Dude, this is insane, bro. Literally the best pools. Holy crap. Mad King of Dark World. Beige in the Dior suit? Holy crap. Brow with the Balenciaga arrows? Holy crap, bro. Dude, I'm absolutely set. I'm absolutely. This is actually insane. Danger Bigfoot, bro. You can't even find this, man. Bro. Oh my god, bro. Holy crack. Oh my gosh, bro. All these Dark World cards, I don't know what to do, man. Oh. Card destruction? Bro, you know how many upsets I'll make with that? Holy crap, bro. Dude, a skill drain, dude? Oh my god, I won't
Dude,
be...
no
bro.
way he pulled that, dude.
Bro, holy crap,
No
bro.
way he pulled that out of
Who
there.
would have thought?
That's like the rarest card in that box, dude.
Holy crap, bro. A Master Duel card, of course. Master Duel, dude.
Everyone,
And
like,
Duel
isn't
Links,
really
bro.
Yu-Gi-Oh fans that's watching right now is like actually blown away. They're like, "Holy shit, this man is getting shit every time, bro!" Like, what?
Holy
Dude,
crap,
you gotta
bro.
open the other one.
I
dude.
gotta open the... Look, guys, I got another one. We're gonna pull even more insane cards, bro. That is
I don't think you can
crazy.
top that other box, though.
Bro,
What if you get the exact same shit though?
Bro.
Would that be crazy?
it's not possible, bro. That would be like 1 in a million.
Yeah, right.
The exact same. Holy crap, it starts with the same one. This might happen, bro.
Dude,
This
no.
might happen.
No way.
It might be. Let's see. Let's see. It might be different. There might be a misprint. How do you open this? Why are all these Sean-proof cards, bro?
You just opened that same exact shit.
Bro.
Did you at least separate all your ultra rares?
Yeah, I got my ultras and secrets separate. Because Brothers of Legend is all ultras.
Holy crap, bro. More Dark World archives, bro. Oh,
We
bro,
have
I got
six
Overlord of
names.
Dark. Holy crap. This is insane, guys. Got Beach again in the Dior suit, bro. Another one. Holy crack. Oh. I got 2 Bigfoots, guys. Another card destruction, bro.
It
Let's
might take
go.
us a while to read through and make a deck out of all this stuff we just.
Alright, guys, that's everything. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Subscribe to my YouTube. Also, my Patreon, OnlyFans, everything.
Well, we gotta show the best pulls, dude. Before we do
Bro,
all
why are you
that.
trying to grab my stuff and leave last minute, bro?
Dude, where's your cards at? I'm trying to get out of here, dude. Dude, I mean, we got some hella solid pulls, dude. Nibiru, Jet Dragon, Souls, another Nibiru from the 10, the Dragoon, dude, Tracer, Black Rose Dragon, Phantom Knights, Virtual World, and Access Code Talker, dude. I mean, dude, those are some solid pulls.
Somebody's making profit. Let's find out.
Dude,
Who.
we're gonna have to add this up, see who had the best pulls out of everyone.
Yeah, and then we got to make a deck out of everything that we pulled. So you guys saw every card we got. That's what we're making a deck out of, and that'll be the next video. Dude, look, he's trying to run off with the cards.
I'm taking
dude.
all the cards, dude.
All of mine are right here.